All right, here we go. Good luck. ziggyzoomba15. Aaron, one box of 2014 Panini Prizm draft picks. Winner of the box giveaway for the 2014 Classics Baseball. Good luck, senor. It was Ziggy Zoomba Zon RRP and Hockey Is It. Our first autograph. Not free, but the giveaways. Red Prizm, Reed Riley, 54 of 100. Alex Jackson Prizm. I'll send you Prizms and autographs. Purple, Nick Birdie, 44 of 149. Look at these, they're all bowed. Chris Bryant, Miners Gold Prizm. Fourth autograph, Michael Sederoth Prizm. All base. Wow, J.P. Crawford, top 10. Numbered 5 of 100. J.P. Crawford. Nice. All base. And the last pack has a blue Austin Calcino, Seattle Mariners, 112 of 199. All right, our first autograph is a red Prizm. Carlos Rodon, red Prizm autograph, 44 of 100. Very nice. And regular Prizm auto, Isan Diaz. That is State of Hockey's favorite player. Isan Diaz. Prizm auto, not numbered. And, of course, everybody's favorite player to get, Chase Vallett. Nick and Nate's brother. And our last autograph of this box is Eric Fed, Washington Nationals. Very nice little box. And that was the break. Thank you, Aaron. Very cool.